While the internet was on fire, people screaming, reacting, editing, and crying over a 2-minute trailer some people didn't even notice. No excitement, no hype, just silence. They scrolled past K-pop demon hunters like it was any other post. And yet, their calm feels almost alien. Are they disconnected? Or do they know something about peace that the rest of us forgot? Let's explore the psychology of people who live quietly outside global hype and what it reveals about the modern mind. Selective attention, the brain's natural filter. Our brains can only process a fraction of the chaos around us. What we notice depends on what feels relevant to our goals and emotions. For those who missed the trailer, it wasn't ignorance, it was selective attention in action. Their mind decided, this isn't important right now. In an age of overstimulation, not noticing isn't failure, it's protection, the comfort of cognitive simplicity. When culture explodes with new symbols, sounds, and visual intensity, not everyone's mind wants to chase that high. The human brain craves familiarity patterns it already understands. So for some, skipping a viral trailer isn't disinterest. It's cognitive conservation, a subtle way of keeping their inner world calm. They don't resist the hype, they simply don't feed it. Social disconnection and quiet belonging. When a big cultural moment happens, it connects millions of people at once. Memes, group chats, excitement, it's a digital tribe. Those who don't participate exist just outside that circle. They might seem left out, but psychology calls this quiet belonging a preference for peace over participation. They belong to themselves first. The beauty of delayed discovery. There's something almost magical about watching someone see it for the first time. While we, the overexposed, have analyzed every frame, they get to feel that first spark, the shock, the wonder, the "what is this" moment. Psychologists call this novelty resonance the brain's peak pleasure in discovery. Their calm wasn't emptiness, it was a pause before awe. The psychology of reintegration. When someone finally joins the cultural moment days, weeks, or months later, they bridge two timelines, the collective and the personal. They remind us how fresh excitement can feel when it's not forced. Their delay becomes a quiet rebellion against urgency, a reminder that meaning doesn't expire with the algorithm. So next time you meet someone who hasn't seen K-pop demon hunters, don't call them out of touch. Maybe they just live in a slower world, one where excitement arrives when the mind is ready. And maybe that's not ignorance at all. Maybe it's wisdom. If you love exploring the quiet psychology behind global moments, subscribe. Here, we don't just follow culture, we decode how it moves through the human mind.